Hi everyone, welcome to IoT X's on Tech. I am X's. On today's episode, we're going to go for a little bit of shopping. We're going to buy a new LG 50-inch 4K HDR TV. It's got to be 4K, hasn't it, these days? And a Google Home Hub, hopefully in silver. Anywho, let's get on the road because it's like quarter to 7, and Curry's, I gotta go to Cardiff. That shuts at 8 o'clock. So let's get on with it. So here we are then outside Curry's in Cardiff. It's taken us what, 18 minutes to get here. It's now 7 o'clock and we've got like an hour to do all of our shopping. Anyway, I don't think I'll be filming inside, so I'm gonna leave you here in the car. I'll come back once I've got the product in the backseat of my car. Like I cleaned it the other week anyway. See you in a minute. So here we are. It is, 7:43, so I spent ages in Curry's looking at a TV. I was umming and ahhing. So there it is, the LG UHD TV ThinQ AI. We have the 7450 model in a 50-inch, and I've got a Google Home Hub as well. That is going to go in the kitchen. I do apologise for the quality of the front camera, but hey ho. Right, I'm going to drive home, take this big TV in the house, unbox it, set it up, take you through the menus. I might have to film this over 2 days because it's like 7:43 and time's cracking on. There you go, you can just about see the number there. Oh, can you? Yeah, there we go. 50 centimeter. I hope this video is going to come out the right way around because at the moment it's reversed on my screen, but I'm going to always do that in editing anyway. Anyhow, let's crack on with the journey home, shall we? See you in a bit. Bye bye. So this is the LG 50UM7450 50-inch 4K HDR TV. Finally got home with it. The traffic was okay coming home from Cardiff. I live in Newport, by the way. So this is the new 2019 model. It's got the ThinQ AI on it. It's Google compatible, Alexa compatible. Comes with a magic remote. So let's unbox this puppy. No. Let's unbox this bad boy. Put it in situ of my Samsung EU40ES6300U 40-inch Full HD 3D TV that I think has a really good picture. Apart from it's around about 7-8 years old now. It's got terrible light bleed around the bottom corner and the top corner, and maybe about a year or two in, I noticed like not banding, but like bars going across the screen. There's about 3 of them. They go across the screen, especially you really notice it in dark scenes, like when you're watching a film or anything with like a really dark scene in it, which spoils the picture. So that's what I wanted. The ThinQ AI 4K Active HDR GTS Virtual X Magic Remote Controlled new 2019 model of LG TV. So let's get the scissors and let's open this box. User information, a little cable tie thing, a little clip that actually says cable management on it, and some Bexel super alkaline batteries. Who likes the peeling noise? Nice click wheel in the middle, voice command, quick mute. Quick access, microphone at the top, dedicated Netflix button, and a dedicated Prime Video button as well. Movies, you got the buttons out. I don't know where the record button is though. There will be, hopefully. They couldn't tell me in Curry's whether or not this new TV is able to accept just normal satellite rather than FreeSat. in Currys, they don't have anything connected apart from a HDMI, so couldn't tune in anything at all. So if it doesn't accept normal satellite TV for Channel 4 HD for the Formula 1, then I don't know what I'm going to do. Yep, that's on. So there we go, there is the LG 50UM7450 PLA 4K 50-inch HD TV? No, not HD. 4K active HDR TV, that's what I meant to say. So there's a little red power button on the bottom. I'm not going to peel the tape off yet, but I am going to peel this off. Ready everyone? Ready? Get close. Here we go, this is the magic remote control, so let's power. Ooh. WebOS. Let's turn off the studio light. It is edge lit as well. Press the OK wheel button on your remote. Here we go. Confirm your location and language settings. Anything else? Ooh. Okay, there you are. Oh, well done. No, home environment. Okay. Get connected. With Wi-Fi or Ethernet. The Wi-Fi is fast enough. Searching. Tell you what, let's get the YouTube on the go. How do we get the thingy up now? YouTube. How do I go there? Where's YouTube? Add YouTube here. Yes. I'm going to have YouTube as default. Okay, so we want search. Ah, look who it is. Yay. We scroll over, I don't know. That's going down. Ah, there we go, all my latest videos. Old videos. Brilliant. So I will be doing a part 2 on this video. I think this has gone long enough. Okay, so I've had this TV now for 10 days and I'm not impressed with the screen on it. The backlight setting, even though I changed it down to like 50%, oh my god, the ghosting, or the light bleed should I say, is horrendous on it. Have a look at the screenshots here. You know, when you got the pointer for the magic remote running around the screen, it's really noticeable. And what was I watching last night? A Grand Tour on Amazon Prime in 4K UHD. Yeah, the colours are amazing on this TV, but the blacks in between scenes, like my old Samsung TV, it's like the LEDs turned off. So if you're watching in a darkened room, for example, then when in between scenes, it just went totally black, and that just added to the thrill of watching a film, for example, or even just watching normal TV. So this TV, I'm afraid, is going to go back to Currys. It's all packed away, ready to go. That's where it was, and that's where it is. So I'm going to pay £100 extra. And I'm going to go for a Samsung TV which has supreme dimming apparently. Checking on their website and on Currys' website, it says it's got like thousands of zones of local dimming. So praising, that's going to be a lot better TV. As for the magic remote, it does take a little bit of getting used to. I managed to shrink the size of the little pointer on it, which made it a little bit easier, and I think I sped it up as well, so it made it a bit easier to move around the screen. But then it's pointing up, pointing down. Yeah, I guess you can use the buttons on the remote control as well, but I tended to use the magic remote. When you're watching YouTube, for example, and you wanted to cast from your phone, because I like casting, because then you've got better control over it with your voice, especially with Google, obviously. It took ages for the TV to broadcast. It's able to accept a Chromecast feed. Also, when you're using the OK so-and-so to control your TV, you had to say, OK so-and-so, ask LG to do this and that. And it was like connecting to LG, and then you'd ask it to pause or play, and sometimes it was offline as well, which I didn't find that good at all. So yep, this TV is going to go back. Would I recommend this TV? It's hard to say. You know, if you're watching it in daytime and you don't mind the light bleed that's coming from the four corners of the screen, it's a good price, don't get me wrong on that. It's £449 at the moment. It's September 2019. But yeah, the smart features are good. YouTube is good. The screen out animation, it's like fireworks on the screen if you don't turn off the auto screen off function. That looks really good. 4K does look really good, apart from the backlight, and that is not doing it for me. It's absolutely not doing it for me. So that's why it's going to go back, and I'm going to exchange it for another one. Thank you very much for watching this part 2. I know I said I was going to do a part 2, but it's all boxed away now, so I can't do anything. It's going to go back. So thank you very much for watching IoT Ixis on Tech. Catch me again on the next one. Please like and subscribe to this video. Click the links below if you want to follow me on social media. I'm Ixis on Tech on Facebook and on Twitter. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.